Today I am going to teach past tense, simple past tense. It describes an actions that were completed in the past. An action that were completed in the past. Okay, we'll see the rules. I, you, we, they, he, she, it, names. Okay. For these subject, in positive sentence, we have to write subject plus past tense. Past tense means V2, okay, plus object. In negative sentence, same subject, but here did not or didn't. V1. V1 means present tense. Plus object. Okay. For positive sentence, subject, past tense plus object. That is here V2. V2 means past tense. Here negative sentence, we have to write subject, did not or didn't. Verb V1 means present tense plus object. Okay. Now we will see the example. Okay. Example sentences. First one. He studied for the exam. Okay. He studied for the exam. First you see subject. We have to write the subject. This is, we have to see negative, positive or negative sentence. This is positive sentence. So we have to write only verb. This is past tense. V2. Okay. Study. Verb is here study. Studied is past tense. He studied for the exam. Okay, if you want to say in negative sentence, suppose if you didn't read how you say in negative sentence, he didn't. Why we are writing didn't here? Negative. He didn't study for the exam. Now this one will become did plus study. I told you here only, this is present tense we have to write. Negative means did not plus present tense we have to write. For negative, this thing present tense is study. He did not study for the exam. Now are you clear with this? See, he studied for the exam is positive sentence. This action was completed in the past. Here, till now he didn't finish, he didn't study. So, in negative sentence, he didn't study for the exam. I will see the second one. The police or the people caught the thief. The people caught the thief. Here the people, specific type of people, that is group of people, specific group of people. So we are writing the people. Caught is only here past tense. Caught is past tense. The people caught the thief. Some specific type of group of people caught the thief. Here we can write the thief instead of this, the bus or the train. We can write this also. In this, the people caught the bus. The people caught the train. Can I say, okay? Here it is, verb is catch. Okay. Now here, suppose if you want to say in negative sentence, same one, they we can say. They did not, didn't or did not. They didn't. People only, they. The people only, they we can say. This is not one person, so many were there. So, the people. Specific group of people. They didn't catch. We should not write caught here. They didn't catch the thief, or they didn't catch the bus, or they didn't catch the train. Can write anything. Okay, in this anything can write. We can say. While you are using about the bus means we can say like this. The people caught the bus. The people didn't catch the bus. Okay, catch. Caught, catch. Present tense. So, did plus catch only, caught. Did plus study only, studied. Past tense, this is present tense. Next one. They played football yesterday. They played football yesterday. Okay, he went to the party yesterday. He went to the party yesterday. See here, they. You can, for all the subject we can write, but only you should know the past tense. Okay. Now here is past tense played. For this present tense is verb. Okay. Present this is play. In this present tense is go. Went is go. Okay. Why I am writing this means, if you want to say in a negative sentence, you have to know which one is present tense in this. So only I am writing separately this one. Okay. Go. Here is play. You see in this, they played football yesterday. Yesterday, if yesterday comes, we know that action completed. Action was completed in the past. Okay. Yesterday. They played football yesterday. Okay, if you want to say this one in negative sentence, they didn't play. They didn't play. They didn't play football yesterday. Okay. Here, he went to the party yesterday. This action also completed in the past. He went to the party yesterday. Okay. Suppose if he didn't go to party, how we will write? He did not or he didn't go. This is only very, very important for us. Okay. He didn't go to the party yesterday. Here, football yesterday. He didn't play football yesterday. Can you understand what is this? First, you should know past tense. First, we have to write subject. Then, if you want to speak or want to write in past tense, you have to use these past tense words. Okay. Play, played, went, like that. Okay. Now, you should know, if you want to say in negative sentence, you want to know the present tense also. So, only I have written here present tense also. For went, go. Okay, next one. She visited the museum. She visited the museum. Next one. He finished his homework. He finished his homework. This action is completed in the past. Then only we should use like this sentences. Okay. Now you see here, this is only positive past tense. Okay. Now you have to know the subject first. Whether he or she, they visited also we can say, we visited also we can say. But you should write or speak in past tense, means you have to use this only, visited, finished, like that only. Okay. Now she visited the museum. Now here is verb is present tense is visit. Okay, this one past tense. Here he finished his homework. Finish only here. Finish only verb here. Okay. Now if you want to say in negative sentence, suppose they didn't go to museum. So how you will say? She didn't visit. Didn't visit the museum. Okay. She didn't. See, a negative sentence, did not or didn't. V1 means this present tense plus object. Anything you want to do. She didn't visit the museum. Next one, he finished his homework. Suppose the action was not completed in the past. Not completed in the past means how we will write? He didn't. The class also used to say he didn't finish the homework, miss. So he didn't finish. We should know that. Okay. Finish his homework. He didn't finish his homework. You should know how to write in positive also, negative also. Positive means past tense we have to use. Negative means did not, and we have did not or didn't. V1 means present tense, and which one you are going to convey the message that you have to say. Next one, I ate breakfast this morning. I ate breakfast this morning. See, ate. I ate breakfast this morning. This only past tense. How you will write in present tense this one? Present means what? How? That verb eat. Present tense eat. Okay. Verb is eat. Eat only in past tense. Ate it will become. Now I ate. Now this action was completed in the past. Okay. I ate breakfast this morning. Morning I ate the breakfast. Suppose I didn't eat the breakfast. How you have to say? I didn't. In negative sentence. I didn't. This eat will become eat. Did plus eat. Ate. I didn't eat breakfast this morning. This morning. Here is eat. Okay. Can you understand? Easy only. Ate means past tense. If you want to say in negative, suppose you didn't eat breakfast or lunch or dinner, you have to say like this. I didn't eat. I didn't eat. Did plus eat only ate. She knew. I'm teaching, that is, I'm teaching different words. Okay. That is a regular verb. This is irregular verbs. Regular verbs also I told you visited. This thing. Okay. Now see this and all irregular verbs. To speak and to write in past tense it will be very easy. So only I am teaching more examples also for you. She knew, different words also I am using. She knew the answers. She knew the answers. See here, ate I told you. Now knew. Knew. How it will be, what is that present tense? No. Okay, if you don't know the answer, how you will convey this in negative sentence? She did not or didn't. Knew will become know. She didn't know. This only. No, knew will become did plus know. Didn't. She didn't know the answer. She didn't know the answer. Thank you.